Carbon credits are a type of token that measure a project's climate impact. So let me explain this. Today, if you develop a forestry project provides a lot of benefits to climate, to community, to biodiversity, and a whole lot of other ecosystem benefits. But how do you measure all of this? To measure all of this, we need to have a common methodology that says, hey, this is how you measure the impact of a forest. Now, there are various methodologies across the world that quantify this impact and say, hey, a forestry project on a hectare scale, 1 hectare with so many trees sequesters so much carbon. So 1 ton of carbon emission or 1 ton of carbon equivalent greenhouse gas emissions was considered 1 carbon credit. Now that carbon credit can be sold to companies that are unable to reduce their emissions or have climate targets. And that money can be used to funnel or channel climate projects. So carbon credits enables climate projects economically, and that money can be shared amongst the stakeholders of the project. For example, a forestry project could be government, could be community, could be a developer, could be an NGO. All of them financially stand to benefit, and hence they continue to do more climate projects. Hence, they continue to fight against climate change. So this is what a carbon credit does. It's a commodity, it's a token, it's how you package the entire impact to produce financial benefits for climate projects.